people, look at me. Today I'm all dressed up, you know. I picked up these earrings from Humpy. These are, I think, jade earrings, and I don't know, it's like just wearing them feels nice, yeah. I mean, in terms of like what I feel is, I think there's a certain amount of acupressure if you wear long earrings and of the right metal, no, not metal, stone. It makes a difference. So really, people, I just have to say this, that today, August 10th, is so special for me, because after a 3 year long effort, today finally I see that YouTube has monetized my channel. I mean, as in, it's become eligible for ads. I can't tell you, yeah. Like when I saw that, it was like I don't know, I was just breathless for a while. Now I think I have to check with the YouTube analytics, because until it reaches $100, they don't give you anything. So I have to just work hard, work hard, work hard. But thank you, people. This was possible only because of y'all. So just thank you so much for this. I mean, there are some friends of mine who I know are very diligent in watching my videos. So it really means a lot to me. So that's what, someday at a later point, once I'm able to uh, monetize my channel and all, I'd love to have a meetup. Yeah, that'll be so cool, right? Yeah. So really, so it's, today for the first time I finished all jhadu, poncha, this, that, and now I'm making my recording. So this has never happened, and I should have probably washed my face like again, but I didn't do that. But it's okay. Look at the weather outside; it's beautiful. It's about to rain, I think. But yeah, there's so many things I'm saying in the same video, but this has been a awesome, pleasant surprise. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.